Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wanur Azati binti Wan Muhammad Asri. My matrix number is S75689. Today I will conduct a test of hypothesis by using SPSS software to determine whether the mean of cells is more than 100 for the 2020 years. This is the information given from the questions for 2019 and 2020. First thing first, we have to decide the null and alternate hypothesis. The null hypothesis is that the mean of cells for 2020 is less than or equal to 100. The alternate hypothesis is that the mean of cells for 2020 is more than 100. Next, we decided to use 0.05 of significant levels. Since the sample size is small, which is 19, and the population standard deviation is unknown, we decided to use one sample t-test. From this test, there are 18 degrees of freedom, which is 19 minus 1 equal to 18. These degrees of freedoms determine the critical t-value for this test. From the table, we can see the critical t-value is 1.734. Next, from the information given here, I have copy-paste this to Excel so it can be transferred easily to SPSS. Here, we choose import data from Excel. For example, for the first one, we can clear it. And then we change the name. So it changed here. So based on this data, we need to analyze, compare mean and proportions. One sample t-test. For question 5, we just need to have sample t-test for 2020. Test value is 100. Okay. This is the result having given for one sample statistic and one sample test. From here, we can see the sample size is 19, mean is 107.53, standard deviation 35.222. For one sample test with test value 100, we got the t-test of 0.931. The degree of freedom is 18, which we calculated earlier. From these results, we can see that the t-value is less than critical value, which is 1.734. So we need to interpret the result. The result is that we failed to reject the null hypothesis because t-value is less than critical value. T-value is 0.931 and the t-critical value is 1.734. There is not enough evidence to conclude that the mean cells for the year 2020 for the bakery is significantly greater than 100 at the 5% significant levels. This suggests that the sales performance of the bakery in 2020 does not show the statistically significant increase above the expected mean of 100. That's all for me. Thank you.